First, click on the Start menu, type Services, and open the Services app. Click any of keys and type S. Now look for SysMain. Right-click it, select Properties, and under Startup Type, choose Disabled. Then click Stop, hit Apply, and OK. Next, scroll down and locate Connected User Experiences and Telemetry. Right-click it, go to Properties, and again, set the Startup Type to Disabled. Click Stop, Apply, and OK. Now, open File Explorer. Click on this PC, then right-click on your C, Drive, go to Properties, and switch to the Tools tab. Click on Optimize under Optimize and Defragment Drive. Click Change Settings, uncheck Run on a Schedule, then hit OK and close it. Once restarted, press Ctrl+Shift+ESC to open Task Manager. Click on the Startup tab and select Disable. Don't disable GPU or system-critical tools, only apps you personally installed. That's it. Like and subscribe.